Yeah, the title is right. I'm about to end this hair growth challenge and start a new one. I feel like I should be incorporating something else. You know, I guess after 15 weeks, you just want to do something different. I love neem. I'm sticking with neem. I think I just need to add a little something into the mix. Maybe do one day neem, one day something else. A lot of you have been talking about black seed oil. Never even heard of it until recently, so I'm wondering if I can do that. I have to do some research on that, but I am seriously thinking about that. A lot of you are saying onion juice. I am not doing onion juice again. I tried it before, and I know that onion juice really works. And if you have the time to pulp your onion juice and put onions on your scalp, then I give you an applause, an applause, an applaud, an applause. Because I can't. I tried doing that and I got very little onion juice, but the smell is so horrendous that I couldn't even do it. I put it on my scalp and I just feel like it really seeped into my pores, and I could swear I smelled it all over my skin, and that's not for me. So, and it took like not two times in the shower, 2 days of trying to get the smell out. Yeah, that's not for me. So please don't advise me to do that, because you're wasting your time. I won't do it. But black seed oil, yeah, what is that and where do you get that from? I want to try it. So many people are having really good outcomes with that. I am not abandoning my neem because I love neem, and to tell you the truth, I think I'm starting to like the smell. No joke. I think it's because I know it's doing such great things for my hair. I think my hair is going through a shedding phase. You know, I go through this like every month and a half. I go through a shedding phase. But not so bad. A little bit more than last week. And I think it's around this time when I'm supposed to have my period, but I don't have it anymore, really. It's going on August, September, October, November, December. 4 months. I got 1 day, I think in September, October. I think it was October, for like 1 day, and it was very light. So I don't even consider that a period. But yeah, so I think when it's around this time, like today's the 13th, and I used to get my period on the 14th, like around there. So I think this is a time where my bones start hurting, my hair sheds a little bit more, my eyelashes don't come out as long anymore. So I think everything is just happening around this time. So I'm not giving up on it. I'm not saying, oh, we're gonna do another challenge or whatever, a hair growth update with something else. Can't give up on my neem. I can't. I honestly feel that this is the best thing for me. Sorry, and for those of you wondering, yes, I do have a straight topper on and my hair is frizzy on the bottom. I just plopped it on for this video because I love this topper so much, and I'll have the details down below about this topper, but it's like the most realistic part in the world, and I absolutely love it. So yeah, okay, so I'm gonna put some neem oil on my hair. Come with me and we'll chat some more. And I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one neem I need. I don't care about the present. Okay, I got my shower cap on. I ain't gonna sing. All right, got my thing going on, and I am going to do my hair as I do in all my videos. So here I am. I'm gonna put my neem oil in my hair. Let me get my mirror. I know the lighting is a little different, and that's because my bulb to my ring light blew out. So yeah, so we're dealing with a little, I don't know, do you like this lighting or the other lighting? No, the other one was a little brighter. So, but let me fix this. Oh, my tree. I think the tree looks so much prettier in this light though. So yeah, I got my neem oil. It's got a little bit of, it coagulated. Can you see that? It coagulated on the bottom, which is fine. All you have to do, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. And I'm ready. I have my shower cap ready. I'm doing this for 2 hours. You don't have to do it overnight. And I know it smells. And if you sleep with somebody next to you, they might say, you stank like a rancid peanut. But that's okay. Nobody's here today. Let me take my earrings off because, hi, who am I fancy for? Huh? Okay. So, yeah, I'm definitely. It's so weird. Make sure your fingers are clean too. It's so weird how I don't mind the smell anymore. When I first started, I was like, this is gross. I'm not doing this. I don't know if I can do this. But yeah, I don't know. It's such a familiar, like it's such a familiar scent to me now, and I know it's doing that, and I know it's doing so good for my hair, so I don't feel like it bothers me at all. I really don't. My phone's going off. Hold on. I hate when I get telemarketers calling my house. Just massage. What are you guys doing for the holidays? Since we're just talking while I'm putting my neem oil. I am staying home. Dennis's family is coming over, so I'm gonna have like, I don't know, a lot of people, maybe like 35 people, more than 35 people here at my house. I'm cooking. Yeah, it doesn't even bother me. I'm cooking some delicious food. I can't wait. I am not one to cook fish or anything like that, so I think I'm gonna have my brother-in-law do the fish. But yeah, I'm gonna cook up lasagna. I'm gonna make I've never made for anybody, but I made it for myself, the cauliflower, the loaded cauliflower casserole. What? Stop it. So delicious. Yes. I got my little, oh look, you can see my camera through it. What? Almost dropped the neem. This is my favorite thing. Oh, this is so good for blood circulation, guys. It feels so good. I can do this forever. Now, I do this for like about 10 minutes. Even if you go back and forth, look, my eyes, you know, it feels so good. Do this every night. Even if you don't put the neem in your hair, just doing this will help out so much. It will help out so much. Oh my gosh. Maybe you put it to your head. Like, you don't have to go through your hair. You can just put it on top. It goes like right through your hair. And just, I can fall asleep. And if you just do that, it feels so good. So yeah, I'm gonna do some research on the black seed oil. If any of you are doing the black seed oil, let me know your thoughts on it. Let me know if you had progress. A few of you have said that you did, but oh, I wish I can just have somebody do this for me for like 20 minutes a day. Oh my God. Find the time to do this, you guys. Don't skip over this. Don't skip over this part. It is like so crucial to your hair growth. Oh, yes. Oh my God. Yeah, so just do this for about 10 minutes. And then, so okay, so when you are done doing that, just put your little gangster hat on. And that's it, 2 hours, wash it out. You might have to wash it twice, whatever it is. Yeah, just get the little stank out. Also, I will have the listings down below. I will have in the description all the shampoo and conditioners. You know all that. I will have everything listed down below of what I use if you want to do this. And please don't forget to comment about black seed oil or what you're doing. I just want to know, what are you doing? You know, let's help each other out. And that's it. I will see you guys in my next video. I'm going to put some music on and I'm going to dance and exercise this fat away while I'm growing my hair. Okay, guys, see you in my next video. Bye-bye.